Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see about anastomosis around scapula. Scapular anastomosis occurs at the two sides. So what are the two sides? One is around body of scapula and the other is over acromion process. Around the body of scapula, anastomosis occurs between branches of first part of subclavian artery and third part of axillary artery. First part of subclavian artery gives three branches. Remember, with vertebral artery, internal thoracic artery, thyrocervical trunk. Remember thyrocervical trunk? It again gives three branches. Remember SIT. Suprascapular artery, inferior thyroid artery, transverse cervical artery. Among these three, just remember suprascapular artery and transverse cervical artery. Among the three branches arising from first part of subclavian artery, remember only thyrocervical trunk. Remember only thyrocervical trunk. Among the branches arising from thyrocervical trunk, remember only two branches, suprascapular artery, transverse cervical artery. Suprascapular artery, transverse cervical artery. Transverse cervical artery again gives superficial branch, deep branch. Remember only deep branch of transverse cervical artery. Suprascapular artery, deep branch of transverse cervical artery. Next, branches of third part of axillary artery. Here we have suprascapular artery. Remember, subscapular artery. A branch of subscapular artery, that is circumflex scapular artery. This is third part of axillary artery which gives subscapular artery, which gives circumflex scapular artery. Around the body of scapula, anastomosis occurs between suprascapular artery, deep branch of transverse cervical artery, circumflex scapular artery. Over the acromion process of scapula, anastomosis occurs between acromial branches of, here we have suprascapular artery, write the same suprascapular artery. Next, from the second part of axillary artery, thoracoacromial artery. This is second part of axillary artery which gives thoracoacromial artery and posterior circumflex humeral artery. From the third part of axillary artery, posterior circumflex humeral artery, acromial branches of suprascapular artery, thoracoacromial artery, posterior circumflex humeral artery. Around the body of scapula, suprascapular artery, deep branch of transverse cervical artery, circumflex scapular artery. Over the acromion process, acromial branches of suprascapular artery, thoracoacromial artery, posterior circumflex humeral artery.